Nagpas lang din kami guys. Kasi tinamad maglakad ng lamig. Malamig kasi sa labas. Kaya nagpas na lang kami. Pabalik sa daming tao. Marami pa rin talaga naglalakad. Ayan, mga naglalakad. Maganda sana maglakad kaso ang lamig. Yung aking kamay frozen ice na siya.
In the same year,
Yan na yung
when one of the
admission center.
remaining upright at the
Marami pa
Great
rin
Triangle
naglalakad.
was returned to a vertical position.
Tamad lang
The
tayo.
Andrews
Kaya
family
ito
sold
nagpas na lang
Stonehenge
ulit
in
pabalik.
1915, and it was purchased by Cecil Chuck, a local man, for £6,600. 3 years later, Cecil and his
Pati
wife
itong
Mary
si ani
donated it to
natin
the nation.
nag-complete ng malamig.
Subsequently,
Siya
there
na
was a
nagsabing
period of
magpas
major
na lang daw
restoration
kaysa
when
maglakad.
many of the stones were
Kaya
set.
sige, magpas na lang.
At the same time, extensive archaeological
Pabalik na
excavations
tayo.
took place.
Ganun lang.
Further restoration work in the
Pero maraming
1950s
tao,
and
ganun lang
1960s
makikita. Puro
helped to
mga
secure
bato
the
lang na
monument for the
malalaki.
future.
Mga bato na
Today, Stonehenge and the
600
monuments
tao
around
pa
it are
pagbuhat.
designated as a World Heritage
Dami.
Site and receive
Ganong
over
kabigat,
1 million
ganong
visitors a
kalalaki.
year from all over the world. If you'd like to find out more about Stonehenge and the
Dito na
fascinating
tayo.
later history of this area, a guidebook is available to purchase at the shop.
May ginagawa silang
If you're
bagong
staying nearby, we recommend a visit to our partner museums, Salisbury Museum in
Dito
Salisbury
na
and
tayo.
Wiltshire Museum in Devizes.
Nakabalik na.
There you can see more prehistoric objects from this area and learn about the archaeologists and
Okay.
antiquaries
We're
who
back.
discovered the history of this
Magkakafe na
landscape.
daw tong dalawa.
We are now
Ginutom
arriving
at
at the visitor
dinabig.
centre. If you haven't done so already, please feel free to explore our exhibition. Stay for something to eat or drink in our cafe and browse the shop. As you leave the bus, please take care and ensure you have all your personal belongings with you. On behalf of English Heritage and the Stonehenge team, we hope you enjoyed your visit today.
Okay. Babaan
To
na.
the stones.
Babaan na. Okay. Ayan, daming tao. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we can have. Okay na. Dito na tayo. Sa baba na. Baba na tayo. Babaan na. Thank you. Thank you. Hi.
It couldn't connect.
Why? Because you
Wi-Fi.
turned it off. No. You press that off. That's why it's not connecting. Okay.
Oh, can we go in here and have a look?
What's there?
Gift shop.
Oh, gift shop.
Love gift shop.
Gift shop na naman. Kung ano na naman mabubudol. Ni, free meat and wine tasting. Naksa, mapapaano tayo ng free tasting Joke. Daming tao. Souvenir shop, dami namang tao. Daming tao guys. Stonehenge bag Dito. Payong. 25 pound. Heritage payong. 25 pound. Sale pa yan Sale 20 pound. Payong lang yan guys. Anak naman ng pating. Be careful. Be careful.
Can I
Oh.
get jelly bean?
Oh my
That is
gosh.
far.
Ito tignan niyo naman kamahal. 20.
This?
Go, magnet, go. I want magnet. Tumigil ka. Can I get daw 28 guys? Ano yan? I know, it's nice, darling. Mahal. Yeah, go. Magnet. Fridge magnet. Be careful. Oh, makabasag kayo dito
Can I get a shot?
Aling magnet. Wow. That's a good choice.
Oh, can I choose one? Wait, no, there's choices. I didn't know.
Get one for Nana. Maybe. How about get one for Nana? You're all adding. That one, Ayan, the whole Stonehenge. Darling, yeah. Wow. Mahal naman yun. Stuffed toys. No, I'm talking about that one.
One. For who?
For Nana.
Yeah, it's the exact same thing.
For the fridge.
Yeah.
The fridge can do. I don't mind.
How about from
How about that one? The big ones up there. Sorry. Be careful. You don't want you to break anything. How about that one? Oh, done. I think I prefer that one. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
You can just build your own Stonehenge.
Balik mo to.
Just leave that.
Mom, can I get this build your own Stonehenge?
Bilhan
It's
natin
£10
si
though.
bilhan natin si Nana.
Let's do that.
Can I get this?
At magkano daw to? Magkano yung ano ate?
I don't know.
Ayan. Ay, 5 pala. 5 piso. Mahal
Get
din ah.
this. It's £10 though.
Ano mo yan?
Let's build your own Stonehenge. I really want it.
What's in there? It's quite so light.
All of those.
All of them. No, I don't think you can have the whole. Gusto ni
Oh,
ate yan. Ay, ate, magkakatch lang ng dust yan sa bahay. Like, magkakatch ng dust yan sa bahay. Gusto daw niya yan. Wag na ate. Magkakatch lang ng
Look.
dirty sa
And can I
bahay.
get this one instead? Hold on, come.
Catching dirt lang sa bahay. Wag na. This way na. Halika na. Ano yan? Ano nga yan? Skittles.
No, it isn't.
Skittles, oh.
Oh, my bad.
I can read it. Tungmang. Mga shirt ba? Empty. Mga ganyan puting shirt. May logo. Ay, maganda ko. Ano siya? O, cotton siya. Ang ganda ng tila. Cotton na cotton. Oh, yeah. Ang ganda nga ng tila niya. Cotton siya, guys, oh. Ay, sombrero. Magkano naman kaya? This is size lang, oh. Ay, itong ayaw ko sa sombrero, oh. Ayaw ko ng velcro. Gusto ko yung buckle. Ayaw ko ng velcro. Buckle ang gusto ko.
I'm not done yet.
Ha?
I'm not done yet.
I'm not done yet.
Can we go, Mother? Can we go?
I want this hat, oh. I like the color. But, I love it. Ah,
Bye-bye.
I love it. Okay na nga.
Mum, come. Can I get one of these? Can I get you this?
Lawan di kanya amat eh.
Okay nga eh.
Oy. Bakit nanda nga lawan?
Posible. I like this, guys. Oh.
Can you get this gift?
Buckle. This is a is.
Ate. The same.
No, but one of them's for Nana. This one's for
I
Nana.
like
this is for
ito
us.
sana.
£15.
Hey? Rocks. You got new one, darling. You already got new one, right? We just bought you new t-shirt. We don't need that now. Yeah? Is that okay? Oh. Gusto mo pa? Ha? Ano? Yes, no. No. Ayaw naman niya yung kulay. Ano?
Ah,
Wag,
hindi.
pang matanda yan. So, ano nabili nyo? Mga, ilang ano? Kanina mga yan?
Sa akin
One of
isa
them's
kay-
ours and one of them's Nana's.
One is
Bakit mo
Nana's.
bibigyan?
Why you got,
Sabihin niya, di kaya na-
Alika. Bakit mayroon ka niyan?
Oh no, you said I could get this.
We already
I
got
don't
one.
mind.
We already got one.
£8.
That one will just catch dust, ate.
Ito na lang.
Do you wear it? Are you gonna use it? I doubt it then.
Sama.
I doubt you're gonna use it. It's summer coming, darling.
Go, go, go.
You won't be able to use that because summer already. Ano? Ay, sus! Soft toys no. Soft toys na naman.
Dad.
Ulit.
Oh, this is a rubber. This is a rubber.
Rubber 150, okay? I don't mind. What's ano yan? Yeah, what ano yun, oh? Yun sa loob. Isa pa. I think it's a keychain.
Yes, it is.
Ha?
It is, but it's £4. This
Okay.
is a sticker.
Anin mo ang sticker?
Huh?
Anin mo yung
Those are
sticker?
Jellycats.
Ako naman si Jellycat. Tumigil ka nga si Jellycat.
Are we gonna
40.
get this?
It's up to you. You want to? Okay.
Can I get one of those?
Eh,
Na, hindi
I'm
ate.
begging you.
No.
stupid mo na.
40. Anihin mo yan. No thanks. Ayoko na.
Dos?
Ayoko ng ganyan. Pangbata naman, bastos ka. Pangbata.
Mapabisen.
Hindi pa naman cafe ito. Come on. Mm.
Tara na.
Last time you said you would get one of
Hindi.
one of those.
Let's go. So ako lang ang may nabili. Yes.
Can I ask you something, please?
Ano?
Can I
No,
get one of those for
she
my
will-
birthday?
no, she will-
I didn't.
No, Mum.
You didn't have to give me anything for my birthday. I just want that.
Yes. Yes.
She will pay you back. Won't have a-
Anuhin mo yan, dada.
I'll do
No,
that.
hindi, ate.
It's 25.
Anuhin mo yan. Flag. Anuhin mo yung flag. Oh,
Mum,
40. Ano?
chocolate.
Eh,
No, it is chocolate.
I can see it's chocolate.
Ooh.
Adding, you hold these.
Hello.
Adding.
Hello. Dad, you hold these. Hold it. You're too old for it, Dad.
Tara na, pila na.
How this?
What do you mean too old for it? If Dada wants it, he can have. Do you want one? £1?
Asara sa
150. Okay.
150 years.
Ano?
Nakala na niya.
Sweet, ayaw mo? Akala ko gusto mo. Go saan? Alam mo, pila, oh.
Wait, where's the line? Where's the line?
Here. We're queuing, yeah.
I thought it was here.
We're queuing.
I thought, are you gifted everything? I'm gifted this and this. What a lab.
Si ate, gusto niya yung 40 soft toys. Naku, anuhin mo
No,
yan.
it's a Jellycat.
40 Jellycat. Aanihin niya yun. 40 guys.
The bigger candy.
40. Wag.
Birthdays. December.
Oh, Mum, it's chocolate
Hindi
rocks.
ate.
It's chocolate rocks.
Ha?
Can I try one? Chocolate rocks. And it's so expensive though.
I know, right? Ito na. Mamaya na ulit, guys. Ano
It's
yan?
more, but
See you guys.
it's more, so we can.
Ha? Haba ng pila papasok, guys. Oh. Ang dami pa din.
Hello.
Go to dad. Ang daming parating. Let's go. Next destination. Alis na kami. Oh, we're going in the car na. Adding. Don't mess up the stone.
Destination is car and then unknown.
Hey? What? Ano sabi mo? Ayan.
Yeah.
Car. Ah, dito ko na. I can see. Find the ano oh. Find the cars. Wait. Mami oh. Yeah. Okay guys. Ano? Asan si Dada? An? Pulutin mo? Ayan guys, tapos na kami sa Stonehenge. Ngayon punta naman kami somewhere else. Abibury? Parang ganun. Ewan ko paano sabihin nyo. Abibury ba? Mga ano pa rin. Mga bato-bato pa rin. Na 100 daw na malaking bato. Yun ang sabi ng ano. Ayan, pababa. Ganda ng ano. Maganda na yung araw. Mainit-init na. Uy, pababa. May araw na tayo, pero malamig pa rin sa taas kasi mataas kanina yung ano, Stonehenge. Ewan ko lang dun sa pupuntahan nating isa kung malamig din. Guys, mag-headset kayo para walang music.
Put your headset down.
Oh, headset daw. Para mawala yung music. I don't like the music. Dali. Adding headset. Salamat. Bahay-bahay yun. Iba-ibang ano.
Ano nasakyan?
Oh my gosh. Nangyari sa sasakyan? Aksidente. Nawasak na yung harapan. Ano yung mga yung bahay-bahay yun? Uy. Ang sarap na ng araw guys, oh. Ganda na siya.
Kabayo, may jacket.
Nilamig. Si Mamang Kabayo. Bakit hindi? Aso nga din, may damit eh. Diba? Eh, kabayo meron din. 2:05 tayo makakarating. Ngayon, anong oras na? It's now 1:34. Makakarating tayo din ng 2:05. Eh, paikot. Ikot. Ikot. Country. Country na country. Okay. Update ulit namin kay mamaya. Babush.